Model, 2016 Mercedes Sprinter 313 CDI long wheelbase fully working fridge van MOTED. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 173558. MOT, the 11th of January 2025. Engine, 2143 cc ohm 651 129 hpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear fridge area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0